Okay, RM, I got bacon maker, and that's how it looks like right now. It does hang down, but hopefully it will be okay in the microwave after when it cooks. This it tends to shrink, get it smaller. So, click on only button that tends to work now. I have a brand new microwave. See how it turns out. You do have to watch it or it's going to burn. And it will be from my hamburger. Review of the bacon maker for the microwave. I still use it a long time ago. Well, I'm not sure where the middle piece is. I think if this was taller, it would be a little better, and if it was wider, I think it would cook better because it'll be further apart. Sometimes the bacon tends to stick together. If you don't want your bacon sticking, then you might want to look for another cooker. I don't care about that part. The cheapest one out there. Everything fermented now. Yeah, just another 4 minutes. Probably a little longer. So, cooked bacon, you have to watch it or it will burn. I think it's the best one because there might be one other one that could be better, but they're more expensive. So this one tends to stick together unless you don't really care about that. Let's put that part out. Depends on the person selling, I guess. Somebody could sell it for 30 bucks, somebody could sell it for 20 bucks. So it can be expensive, it can be cheaper. I've seen it cheaper quite often. And other places I've seen it more expensive. So if you don't mind the bacon sticking together like that, then this one is going to be good for sandwiches. But if you want to open, then you might want to try the other one that has like a fold or something in it. But you'll probably end up paying like 40 or 50 bucks for it. So for now I just keep using this one till I find something better. Thanks for watching. Bacon Maker Review RM, February 2019. And there is one more hanger that I could put in there, but I'm not sure where it is. Although I think it would be too crowded and they'll tend to stick together. So I just use the two. This thing could have room for a lot of improvements. It could be more taller, I think, and it could be more wider. It's more spread apart, but I don't know, it's quite affordable, I think. So thanks for watching.